Welcome to this tutorial on Axie Infinity Axie movesets, where we will explore the importance of movesets and how to utilize them effectively in the game. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players collect and battle creatures known as Axies, each with unique characteristics and abilities. To start, it is essential to understand that an Axie's moveset is a combination of 4 cards that determine its abilities and playstyle. These cards are crucial in determining the outcome of battles, as they provide various effects such as dealing damage, healing, or applying status effects. There are several key concepts to consider when selecting an Axie's moveset. Firstly, it is vital to consider the Axie's class and attributes, as certain classes and attributes are more suited to specific playstyles. For example, a plant-type Axie with high health and defense attributes would be ideal for a tanky playstyle, while a bird-type Axie with high speed and attack attributes would be better suited for a aggressive playstyle. Another crucial aspect to consider is the synergy between the 4 cards in the moveset. A well-designed moveset should have cards that complement each other, creating a cohesive and effective strategy. For instance, a moveset that includes cards with healing effects and cards with damage over time effects can create a powerful and sustainable playstyle. In addition to considering the Axie's class and attributes, as well as the synergy between cards, it is also essential to think about the opponent's moveset and how to counter it. This can be achieved by selecting cards that have effects that directly counter the opponent's cards, such as a card that dispels status effects or a card that reflects damage. To illustrate the importance of movesets, let's consider a practical example. Suppose we have a plant-type Axie with a moveset that includes cards with healing effects, damage over time effects, and a card that applies a status effect that increases the Axie's defense. This moveset would be highly effective in a battle against an opponent with a moveset that relies on dealing direct damage, as the healing effects and status effect would allow the plant-type Axie to sustain itself while dealing damage over time. In conclusion, understanding and effectively utilizing Axie movesets is crucial to success in Axie Infinity. By considering the Axie's class and attributes, the synergy between cards, and the opponent's moveset, players can create powerful and effective strategies that give them a competitive edge. Remember to always think critically about the cards in your moveset and how they interact with each other, as well as the opponent's moveset, to create a winning combination.